Recently, Ministry of Heavy Industries has issued request for proposal for selecting manufacturers for setting up manufacturing capacities for advanced chemistry cell under production linked incentive scheme. In this video, we talk about PLI scheme for battery manufacturing in India and discuss about some of the major provisions under the request for proposal. To begin with, we talk about National Program on Advanced Chemistry Cell Battery Storage. Advanced chemistry cells are defined as the new generation advanced energy storage technologies that can store electric energy either as electrochemical or as chemical energy and convert it back to electric energy as and when required. Furthermore, the manufacturing facility to be commissioned within a period of 2 years. The subsidy will be disbursed thereafter over a period of 5 years. The beneficiary has to ensure achieving a domestic value addition of at least 25% and incur the mandatory investment of 225 crore rupees per gigawatt hour within 2 years at the mother unit level and raise it to 60% domestic value addition within 5 years, either at mother unit, in case of an integrated unit, or at the project level, in case of hub and spoke structure. Moving forward, there is a formula to calculate amount of subsidy disbursed. Also, incentive disbursement shall commence once the committed domestic value addition and actual sale of the advanced chemistry cells begins. The scheme has total outlay of 18,100 crore rupees in the period of 5 years. The manufacturing facilities are expected to set up by March 2024. Subsidy will be disbursed from April 2024 till March 2029. Subsidy will be disbursed to firms if they ensure an overall value addition of at least 60% of the advanced chemistry cells being sold within 5 years. Value addition shall be construed as the percentage of manufacturing activity being undertaken in India by the beneficiary firm either on its own or through ancillary units or via domestic manufacturers. Value addition in respect of the goods may be denominated as the ratio of actual value added to the sale value of advanced chemistry cells, excluding indirect taxes, if any paid on the goods. Actual value added can be determined by considering sale value excluding indirect taxes, then removing the cost of raw material, minus cost of fuel consumed, minus expenses incurred for royalty. However, an actual value added by the ancillary units or domestic manufacturers attributable to sale value. Now, we move forward to discuss the provisions in request for proposal issued recently. Global tender has been issued by the Ministry of Heavy Industries under which single bidder will be allocated a minimum capacity of 5 gigawatt-hour which can be capped to 20 gigawatt-hour. There will be tripartite agreement between bidders, state government and central government. Selected bidders will be given cash subsidy, which will be phased out over a period of 5 years and paid quarterly. Bid security for the tender will be 10 crores rupees. As a qualification criteria, the bidder shall have minimum net worth of 225 crore rupees per gigawatt hour or total net worth of at least 1500 crore rupees. Bid process is two-staged, which include technical bid evaluated on the basis of value addition and financial bid evaluated on amount of subsidy quoted. Bid due date is 31st December 2021 and letter of award will be given on 4th February 2022. Pre-bid meeting will be held on 12th November at 11:30 am. The amount of subsidy indicated in the financial bids shall be deemed as final and same will be considered for evaluation of financial bid. Amount of subsidy quoted by the bidder shall be subject to a ceiling of 2,000 rupees per kilowatt-hour. Any bid that has quoted subsidy over 2,000 rupees shall be rejected. Bidders shall take into consideration the phasing down of base subsidy benchmark that has been submitted in the bid, which shall begin from March 2026. Hope you got a good idea on PLI scheme for battery manufacturing and provisions related to selection of battery manufacturers under the scheme. Comment below to share your views on this. Also, comment below to tell us your topic for upcoming videos. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.